Exploding online sales? What if your auto repair shop in San Jose missed this secret weapon? Imagine your phone ringing off the hook. America's Best Shops marketing service is the game changer behind booming local auto shops. Here's the twist. It's not just ads, it's powerful marketing magic tailored for your business. Visualize your shop packed with cars, hungry customers lined up, and your brand shining bright online. This isn't a dream. This is the reality of mastering online marketing in San Jose, California. Struggling with slow days? This service flips that script by putting you on the digital map where customers search first. Picture scrolling through your phone and seeing 5-star reviews and nonstop bookings. Yes, it's that potent. But wait, how many competitors are silently people watching you without your marketing edge? Stop letting them steal your thunder. Ready to unlock insane growth with a simple click? Don't get left behind in the dust. How much could your shop earn if every car owner in San Jose knew your name? The future is now. Will you grab this digital power or let it slip away? Tap into America's Best Shops marketing service and rev up your success engine today.